Hey everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle, back in the studio today working on this brand new 2024 NX500 from Honda. Great little bike, little, hop around for bike for around town, great for the trails. One thing it needs a windshield upgrade. We're going to do that right now with our new VStream windshields. So stick around, we're going to get that started. Alright, so we're going to get started on this bike here. All you need is a 5mm Allen wrench. We're going to remove all 4 of the original mounting bolts. There are 2 washers in there. There's a plastic white washer and a rubber black washer. Hold on to them both. You will reuse all the hardware. See? Right there. Make sure you hold on to those. You're going to need them. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install. This is our new VStream windshield for this new NX500. We're going to go ahead and just put it in place. It's going to reuse all your original hardware, so let's pop it right back in the spots. Make sure you're using both the original washers, the black one and the little white nylon one. Now go ahead and then snug it up with your 5mm Allen. Alright, there you have a great upgrade. Very simple installation. It's 4 bolts, 1 hand tool. Can make a big difference for you going down the road. So check out this product. All products by National Cycle and Z-Technic. Check out our website, nationalcycle.com. And also check out our social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your ride.